Welcome back to another powerful English learning session. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever known exactly what you wanted to say, but when it was time to speak English, your mind suddenly became blank? Have you ever translated a sentence from your native language into English and felt that your speaking became slow, unnatural, and full of hesitation? If your answer is yes, then today's presentation can completely change the way you learn and speak English. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important secrets of English fluency, thinking directly in English. Many English learners spend years studying grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary list, and practicing sentence structures. Yet, when it is time to speak, they hesitate, they pause, they search for words, they translate every thought from their native language into English. As a result, their speaking becomes slow and unnatural. The biggest difference between a fluent English speaker and an English learner is not vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. The biggest difference is the thinking process. Fluent speakers think directly in English. They do not translate their thoughts, ideas, and expressions come naturally in English. That is why they can speak smoothly and confidently. On the other hand, most learners first think in their mother tongue, then translate into English, then check grammar, and finally speak. This process creates hesitation and breaks fluency. The more you depend on translation, the more difficult it becomes to speak naturally. Today, we will explore how to train your brain to think directly in English. We will discuss powerful habits, practical techniques, and daily exercises that can help you stop translating and start communicating naturally. Remember, English fluency is not about speaking fast, it is about expressing your ideas clearly, confidently, and naturally. The goal is not perfect English, the goal is comfortable English. Imagine a child learning a language. A child does not learn grammar first. A child learns by listening, observing, and connecting words with the real situations. When a child sees water, the child understands water directly. There is no translation process. That direct connection between words and meaning is what creates a natural fluency. One of the most effective One of the most effective techniques is to create an English environment in your mind. From the moment you wake up, start describing your surroundings in English. Say things like, I am waking up now. The weather looks nice today. I need to prepare for my work, or I am going to practice English. These simple thoughts train your brain to use English automatically. Another powerful method is self talk. Throughout the day, talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions, your plans, and your feelings. This habit develops mental fluency because your brain begins producing English sentences without translation. Listening is another key factor. The more English you hear, the more English your brain absorbs. Listen to podcasts, interviews, speeches, YouTube videos, and conversations every day. Do not worry about understanding every word. Focus on understanding the overall message. Over time, your brain will start recognizing common patterns and expressions automatically. Learning phrases is also more effective than learning individual words. Native speakers often use ready made chunks of language, such as, to be honest, in my opinion, as far as I know, and at the same time. These phrases help you speak faster because your brain does not have to build every sentence from the beginning. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. However, mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teacher. Every mistake is an opportunity to improve. If you wait until your English becomes perfect, you may never start speaking confidently. Speak with the English you have today, and your English will become stronger tomorrow. The journey from translation to direct thinking does not happen overnight overnight overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and daily practice. But if you continue training your brain every day, there will come a time when English thoughts appear naturally. You will understand without translating. You will speak without hesitation. You will communicate with confidence. That moment is the beginning of a true English fluency. That moment is when English stops begin a subject and becomes a language you genuinely use in your daily life. Before I end this presentation, remember one powerful message: don't translate your thoughts into English. Train your thoughts to live in English. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this presentation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the notification bell so you never miss our future English learning videos. Keep learning, keep growing, keep speaking, keep thinking in English. This is Divyang PB09 signing off. Take care, stay positive, and I will see you in the next powerful English learning session. Until then, keep practicing English every single day and keep improving, keep moving one step closer to fluency. Thank you and have a wonderful day. And welcome back to another powerful